Aqua Chill Systems collaborated with ID Fresh for building the world's largest batter factory in India. Aqua Chill brings the best practices of industry during the design and implementation of HVAC system for the food industry. ID Fresh has a focused and systematic approach towards coming up with multiple production facilities all over India to cater to the growing market demand. In Bangalore facility for production, HVAC and process cooling was a necessity for ensuring the product quality.
HVAC is one of the critical requirement for food and beverage sector, and for our application particularly is very critical, and hence we were getting into every detail of all the vendors. Then we understood that Aqua Chill is specialized in air handling units. Not only that, they also come up with some innovative ideas in multiple facilities, and also they have won innovation awards.
Aqua Chill has competency in designing and delivering mission-critical food processing in the F&B segment beforehand. Considering this factor, ID Fresh tied up with Aqua Chill for this facility, which was ID's first foray in products that required process cooling as a utility.
They invited Aqua Chill Systems to participate in this air conditioning, ventilation and process cooling part. We as a practice picked up very minute details of their requirement, which normally involves studying their temperature profile, studying their requirements on relative humidity, and one of the major parameters for this type of facility is understanding the fresh air requirement. We did that very professionally and the design was made. One of the area was parota processing, where there was a challenge of a proper exhaust of air after the parota is been baked. We designed a very innovative solution which was technically very robust. We implemented that solution where cold air was surrounding the area which is needed and the hot air was effectively scavenged out from the area. And the entire plant is now commissioned, and I'm so happy that we are able to deliver all those committed parameters which were discussed and committed during the design phase.
For ID Fresh, the kitchen exhaust was a make or break for the product quality. Aqua Chill treated it that way and delivered it to the customer's satisfaction by bringing in best SOPs and industrial norms in their design and execution. Aqua Chill displayed leadership traits in project execution and coordinated with multiple vendors, more importantly, puff panel OEMs to seamlessly stitch an error-free solution without compromising on the aesthetic look.
So putting all these equipments together and optimizing the project cost, the capital equipment cost, the operating cost, so that was a big challenge for us. So what we did, we put all together and we found that we can optimize the cost in terms of what was generally happens in this market. So we did an innovation in that and we successfully executed that project for ID Fresh. Now it is commissioned and client is happy. We found that all the equipments are working well. They are happy. Their production line is going good. Even the air changes which they required was as expected.
Aqua Chill has outrightly been a customer's organization that has time and again rose to the occasion in delivering, besides the surprise elements of customer satisfaction.
Without any second thought, you can go ahead with Aqua Chill. They will provide you the entire support.
Aqua Chill system assures the best of our services to our customers. At Aqua Chill, you will never lose your cool.